The world of Forex trading can be both exciting and overwhelming, especially if you're just starting. With so much information available, it's crucial to find reliable sources that can guide you through the basics and beyond. One of the best ways to learn is by following the best Forex YouTube channels for beginners. These channels not only provide valuable insights, but also offer real-time examples, strategies, and tips that can help you become a successful trader. In today's digital age, learning anything new has become more accessible, and Forex trading is no exception. YouTube has emerged as a powerful platform for educational content, offering a variety of channels that cater to both novice and experienced traders. What makes a channel worth following? The best Forex trading education channels on YouTube should offer a mix of basic and advanced content. Furthermore, channels that provide live trading sessions or real-time market analysis can be incredibly valuable. Additionally, trustworthy channels often share their trading results, discuss their mistakes, and provide transparent information about their strategies. Finally, the best Forex YouTube channels are updated regularly, ensuring that you always have access to the latest market trends and strategies. Trading 212 is one of the most popular Forex YouTube channels, offering a wide range of educational content for beginners. What sets this channel apart is its user-friendly approach, making complex concepts easy to understand. ClayTrader is another excellent resource for beginners. Known for his straightforward teaching style, Clay focuses on the psychology behind trading and offers valuable insights into market behavior. No Nonsense Forex is a unique channel that takes a different approach to Forex trading. Forex Signals TV is an excellent resource for both beginners and experienced traders. The Trading Channel, hosted by Stephen Hart, is one of the best Forex trading education channels on YouTube. Forex for Noobs, hosted by Nick Bencino, is another fantastic channel for beginners. Starting your Forex trading or stock market journey can be daunting, but with the right resources, you can quickly gain the knowledge and confidence needed to succeed.